Today I just want to cover my number one exam tip for taking your A+, really Network Plus, Security Plus, Cloud Plus, AWS Cloud Practitioner suggest, and my number one tip and what the video is about today is, I have probably got to be over 100 or 200 note cards. I'm not too sure how many note cards it is, but basically each stack is one is for the 1101 and then one is for the 1102. Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for joining Tech with Terrence. So today I'm just gonna do a very quick video. It's gonna be nice, short, and sweet. Today I just wanna cover my number one exam tip for taking your A+, really Network Plus, Security Plus, Cloud Plus, AWS Cloud Practitioner, any cert that you take. This is my number one tip that I'd like to give to you guys today. Have you guys ever took like a certification exam and you've just kind of been studying for it and you don't know how to withhold all the information? Well, that was kind of me just a few months ago when I took my A+ when I was studying for that exam. As you know, that exam, it has two parts to it. It has the 1101 and then it has the 1102. Basically the 1101 and the 1102, it's split because one deals with operating systems and then the other one basically just deals with hardware. But as you know, for those of you guys who have already taken the A+, or if you've already studied for it or you're studying for it, you know that it has a lot of material in it. What I would suggest, and my number one tip and what the video is about today, is actually using note cards or using flashcards. Using flashcards, it helps you to basically just take down a whole bunch of information and just kind of put it in your mind visually. See, I'm not an auditory learner, and I don't necessarily learn by listening. The way that I learn is by visual. I'm definitely a visual and a hands-on learner, so that's what kind of learner I am. So when I took the A+ exam, or just when I was studying for it, I had to actually make out these note cards. As you can see, I have it's probably got to be over 100 or 200 note cards. I'm not too sure how many note cards it is, but basically each stack is one is for the 1101 and then one is for the 1102. But combined together, it is about that thick though. But I'm just gonna go over it real quick and just kind of show you how my note cards work. Basically, I have one here that talks about Wi-Fi, and you can see I have the frequency. Let's see if I can zoom in. Have the frequency listed. 2.4 gigahertz, 5 gigahertz, and we got the transfer data rate of 600 megabytes. And then I just got like information just about this particular Wi-Fi technology. And then on the back, this actually gives the answer, which is Wi-Fi 4, which is 802.11n. So that's how my note cards look. And I have a whole bunch of these for like Wi-Fi 1 all the way to Wi-Fi 6. So basically, yeah, that's my tip. Just use note cards. That's pretty much it. I just wanted to kind of go over that with you guys. There's one more tip that I want to give you guys. I'm going to give you guys a bonus. If you guys are studying for any exam, I would always recommend that you probably just, I'm just trying to see how can I put it. You probably want to do a lab or actually do something at home to where you can actually put hands on. So what I got here is a network switch. So currently I'm out of A+ and I'm actually studying another exam, but within that exam they talk about switches and routing protocols and things like that. And it can get kind of confusing with just like all the information. So what I did, me and my wife were out shopping today, and while we were at Walmart, I just decided to pick me up one of these big babies. It's basically just a switch. People use it for networking, and we just use it in routing. So I'm gonna take this switch, I'm gonna set it up on my computer, and I connect some things to it, connect some cables to it, take the jack, plug it into it, see the lights come on. I'm basically just gonna do a home lab and see how this thing works. By me doing a home lab and actually working with this switch, it's gonna just kind of help me to better sink in the information that I've been studying in Network Plus, which is routing. But like I say, this video was for anybody that's taking A+, anybody that's taking Network Plus, any certification. Definitely do labs, do note cards, and you guys should be okay. But that's it, guys. Thanks for joining Tech with Terrence. Have a good one.